Hello and welcome back to my very wig obsessed channel. Today I am rocking Barbie pink, Nicki Minaj pink, freaking Nikita Dragon pink wig. Alright, this is like no longer pastel. This is very much going on to the shocking side. Very nice nonetheless, but it's a bit bright. Guess what we're doing today? So I just got a brand new wig from Perfect Lace Wigs. I showed you exactly how it came from the box and straight onto my head. As you can see, it's a very easy wig to work. This is just my way of very quickly putting it on my head, but so far I am absolutely in love with it, especially the fact that it's straight, the fact that it's pink, and the fact that it is so long. However, in my opinion, I think it's just a bit too Barbie for me as is, in the sense I want to give it some character and some kind of a different thing other than just straight pink hair. I haven't cut a fringe in a while, especially not a full one. I've done this 1,017 times before. It's nothing new. You guys have certainly seen this before. However, everyone loves a fringe cutting video because there's a very high chance of it looking disgusting. Literally every single person is going to tell you never to cut your fringe by yourself. That person will never be me. Today I'm gonna encourage you guys to cut your own fringe, and lots of it, and very dramatically. I'm going to link this exact wig down in the description box below. Obviously you could leave it as is. I literally did nothing to it. This is how it came. It's absolutely stunning. It looks freaking awesome. Link of it is going to be down in the description box below. However, today I'm going to cut bangs into it because that's what I feel like doing today. Enjoy. Oh, this is such a cute look. Look, I love pink. This is a look. First thing we're going to do before even starting anything is putting on a gown. Because we're cutting quite a thick fringe today, we're going to be doing big sections because that is how a thick fringe is formed. You cut it off all at once and then you contemplate what the hell are you doing with your life. Start by parting your hair in the middle. This is technically not really the middle of the wig, but I'm also very low maintenance. I'm going about this far, so probably around like 5 or 6 fingers, like 5 fingers back, taking a triangle of hair. What you're gonna want to look for is an even shape. So this size has to be the same as this size, yada. It is up to you to decide how much hair you want, depending on likeliness, depending on how thick your hair is, and depending if you have a cowlick. If your hair naturally goes very stubbornly into one direction, either don't do a fringe at all or take a very thick section so that the weight of the fringe is going to counteract your cowlickness. Sweet. I like this color a lot. But anyway, so you grab your fringe, twist, right, and cut. It's me, Mario. Going to start cutting into and up into our fringe, because although we want a nice straight thick full fringe, we also don't want it to be like a box cutter. Like, look, I'll show you. This is going to both shorten our fringe but also get rid of that super harsh edge. So our fringe is still very clearly too long, but before you cut all the way to where you think you want it, blow dry it, straighten it, actually put it in the shape that you want it, and then please cut, because it might already be at the right length for your liking, it just hasn't been styled. actually not a fan of this longer bit, so we're chopping it off. Boom, baby, we got a fringe. This is probably one of the thickest and longest fringes I've ever done on a wig. I kind of like it. It's got a very like Barbie-esque feel, but like less slutty than before. I did it kind of straight, but I did not give it that like super blunt cut. I personally really don't like this on any haircut. I think it's just too harsh for the face, so I did kind of like sparsen up the ends, but it's still pretty thick, pretty full, and I feel very, very cartoony. This is the whole entire look. I had a ton of fun doing this because I absolutely love cutting fringes on absolutely everything. I have a bunch of different styles on my channel already, including the most recent one, a curtain fringe, so you could definitely check out and see which of those, if any, is your preference or suit you. If you feel like giving yourself a fringe, go for it. Do not listen to any of the internet memes that you see online, but make sure you cut longer than you need and you style it. Best tips you're gonna get today. Link of this badass wig is going to be down in the description box below. I absolutely love it. It's a beautiful, super soft pink wig. Who doesn't love a pink wig? It is really human hair, which is like incredible, and it looks great with a fringe. So link of this is going to be down in the description box below. As always, I'm off now to kind of enjoy myself with my new fringe because I feel cute. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go, and I will see you in my next video.